All right, guys, so we just got back to Denver. We spent about 4 days out in Ouray. I'll probably split this into 2 videos, this trip anyway. So yeah, we went to Ouray. We were there for 4 days, I believe. 2 days camping in Ouray and 2 days camping on the road. Yeah, I wanted to preface this video because we just got back some footage. Just looked at it and it's pretty crazy. Something I've never even thought about while flying a drone, but yeah, I guess, you know, be careful. You guys probably already know what it is because I'm sure I'll title this video, or the second one if I do the second one, we'll see. But you guys probably already know what's about to happen, or what I'm talking about at least. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video, but just wanted to preface that and let you guys know what's going on. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, so today is the second day. Did not film the first day. We were pushing through after work and found a campsite at like 10 o'clock at night, so didn't really film any of that. It worked. It actually was a pretty decent campsite. Today we're gonna go up to try to do the Alpine Loop, Cinnamon Pass. So hoping that since it's Labor Day, it's not going to be too super crowded, but who knows? It probably will be, but you know, we'll still have a fun time. And after that, we're going to head into Silverton is the plan, but I'm sure that will not stay to plan, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. See you then. Alright guys, so we just made it to Cinnamon Pass. We're going to take a little break here and fly the drone a little bit. The views are just too good to pass up, so we'll take a break here, kind of just hang out, maybe snack a little bit, and then we'll keep moving. We'll probably catch up with you guys in a little bit, if not soon, maybe up at Animas Forks. There's a little village there I want to go check out, so we'll probably stop there. At this point, we pulled up to Animas Forks. Animas Forks is a little mining community from the late 1800s. It's basically completely abandoned now, but the views are still really great and the buildings are pretty much all still standing. We spent a few minutes hanging out here, maybe 30 or so, looking around. But we actually needed to get moving a little bit because we hadn't planned out our campsite for the night. So as much fun as it was to stop, we had to keep moving. So we're back on the road after hitting some trails today. We're actually hunting for a campground right now. There's not a whole lot open because it's a pretty busy weekend. So we're going to try to find a place, drop off one of the cars, and head into Ouray. Possibly get some food, but we might end up just, depending on how long it takes, we might end up just cooking at the campsite and visiting Ouray tomorrow. But I've always wanted to see Ouray. I'm really excited about trying to check it out. So that was a cool little tunnel there. So yeah, we'll try to go find a campsite pretty soon and then head into Ouray. If it doesn't work out, then I'll probably just be back at the campsite, and we'll see Ouray tomorrow. So thanks. So guys, we just got back to the campsite. We stopped in beforehand and kind of dropped off the car so we could take one car down. But it was pretty treacherous getting up here, but we're actually not far off the road. You might even be able to hear some cars if you listen close enough. But I apologize about the lighting. It's not the world's best lighting. We got these little lights here, but anyway, I think this is going to be in for this video. It's definitely the end for the day. I might do a little footage at the end of a walk around, maybe some clips here and there, some photos I took. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Part 2 will be coming out soon. Look forward to seeing you guys then. See ya.